Welcome to Sweet Math. Today's challenge is a really interesting geometry problem. Here's the figure. This segment has length 1. This segment has length 2. This segment is also 1. And this one is 3. We also know that this is a right angle. Your challenge is to find the area of the yellow triangle. Before we begin, pause the video, try solving it yourself, and let me know your answer in the comments. Let's solve it. If you look carefully, you'll notice that this is an isosceles right triangle. In an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. Since one angle is 90 degrees, the other two angles must each be 45 degrees. At first glance, this problem looks difficult, maybe even impossible. So let's try something clever. I'll draw a line inside the yellow triangle, perpendicular to this segment of length 1. Now this new triangle has a 90-degree angle and a 45-degree angle. Since the angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees, the third angle must also be 45 degrees. That means this is another isosceles right triangle. So these two legs must be equal. Let's call each of them x. Great! Now let's look at these two triangles. They both have a right angle, and these are vertical angles which are always equal. Since two angles are equal, the triangles are similar, and in similar triangles, corresponding sides are proportional. In the larger triangle, the ratio of the shorter leg to the longer leg is 1 to 2. Since these triangles are similar, the same ratio must hold for the smaller triangle. Since the shorter side is x, the longer side must be 2x. Notice that this segment of length 1 is divided into two parts, x and 2x. So we have x plus 2x equals 1. That gives us 3x equals 1. Dividing both sides by 3, x equals 1/3. Now let's find the area of the yellow triangle. The area of a triangle is 1/2 times the base times the corresponding height. The base is 1, the height is x, which we found to be 1/3. So the area is 1/2 times 1 times 1/3, which simplifies to 1/6. That's the answer. Did you get it right? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more geometry challenges. See you in the next Sweet Math Challenge.